how to remove inspired by from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here and top corner and click these 3 points and then click edit profile and scroll down until you find beliefs and scroll down again, and here is it. Now all you need to do is easy, just click on it and remove it, and then click this save icon here in the top corner, and now click on it again, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.